Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the world of adverbs. If you're learning English at AB1 level, this episode is perfect for you. Adverbs are words that add extra information to verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, helping us describe actions, qualities, and more in a clearer and more detailed way. They often answer questions like how, when, where, or to what extent. Let's look at a few examples. If I say, she speaks slowly, the adverb slowly describes how she speaks. Or in he arrived early, the adverb early tells us when he arrived. In they live nearby, the adverb nearby shows us where they live. You can see how these words add more depth to simple sentences by giving us more specific details. In everyday life, adverbs come up all the time. Think about phrases like, I'll finish this quickly, or she speaks carefully. Whether you're asking for something politely or working diligently, adverbs help you express your actions and intentions in a more precise way. The great thing is that many adverbs are just an adjective with ly at the end, though not all adverbs follow this rule, so stay curious and keep learning. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support makes a big difference in helping other English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.